Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video, we are going to discuss the different producer settings that are available within the MySawgrass selling tool. To access these producer settings, you will first launch the MySawgrass platform from our website. Then you will open your profile menu in the top right corner of the screen. Select the dashboard option and it will bring you here to this page. The dashboard is going to be where you can find a convenient breakdown of everything that is happening with your storefront. You'll be able to see everything that you've sold from this page. You can also keep track of everything that's currently in production and the status of those different products. You will also be able to find a financial breakdown on this page that's related to your store. This section will show you your store's revenue, the total earnings that you've generated from your storefront, as well as a current balance of the payouts that are due to you in the next pay cycle. I strongly recommend revisiting this page frequently to better keep track of your store activity. From here on the left-hand side of the screen, you can access a complete order history at any time. This allows you to find and access everything that you've purchased from other people's stores or everything that they've purchased from you. The next tool that you might want to take advantage of is the production tool. In fact, when you're ready to start taking orders from your storefront, you'll need to come here and turn on your producer settings. This means you need to come to this page, open yourself up for production, as well as turn on the self-fulfillment option. Until you do this, your storefront will appear closed to anyone who accesses it. So, make sure whenever you're ready to start taking orders, you come here and turn these settings on. Please also be aware that you can turn these settings off if you're ever traveling or need to take a break from fulfilling orders. The availability of your storefront is entirely up to you. The next important feature of the production section is the My Orders tool. This is a logistical tool that can help you stay organized throughout the fulfillment process when completing your MySawgrass projects. In this section you will be able to find all the orders that have been placed by customers from your storefront. Once you are ready to start the fulfillment process, you will mark those orders as accepted. When you start working on your projects, you will then mark those projects as being in production. Once you're ready to ship the final products, you can generate free shipping labels, mark them as ready for shipment, and then once shipment has taken place, you can mark the project as dispatched to finalize the process. Please be aware that until you mark the product as dispatched, you will not be able to receive payment for the order that has been placed, so it is very important to finish out the entirety of this process for each of your projects. One last thing to be aware of when it comes to the payment aspect of MySawgrass is that down here at the bottom of this page, underneath the account settings, you can access this billing and payment section of your settings. Underneath this section you will find the payouts page, and this is going to be where you link your PayPal account. This PayPal account is where you will receive your payouts, and at this time PayPal is the only payment system compatible with MySawgrass. So please make sure you link a valid and up-to-date PayPal account to your MySawgrass account so that you can start collecting payment for all the work that you've done. That's all for today. See you next time.